Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this collapsible utility cart. This thing is incredible and I want to show you all of its wonderful features, so be sure to keep watching. When you first get this, there is a little bit of assembly, really just putting on the wheels. You want to make sure that you put the wheels with the locks by the handle, and the other wheels will go at the front of the wagon. If you do, for some reason, need to take those back out, there are little buttons here on the side that allow those to release, and you can fix them or store it away without the wheels. Once you've got the wheels in, the only other step is putting in the board pad that lays inside of the wagon just to give it a sturdy base. And this thing has incredible capacity. It can hold up to 500 pounds if it's just sitting, and if you're going to be moving it around, you're probably going to want to limit it around 400. And then you've even got some storage space on the outside here with this little flap. There is a large mesh area and then a slightly smaller mesh pocket. And then over here by the handle, you have two mesh bottle pockets, so you can bring your water along, coffee, what have you. This particular cart is the extra tall option. So up at the top, you'll see this mesh area, and this very easily lifts up with the rods. And then there are latches for each one to lock it in place, allowing you to control how tall it is or if it's all the way down. And when it comes to the handle, this thing is incredible. It does collapse down, so when you are storing it, it will stay in place just like this, but you can pop that out and then pull it to lock in place so that it's extended. It uses this a really nice triangular like design here that allows you to very easily maneuver this cart. So you can turn it on a dime and easily control where it's moving. You can push or pull this wagon, and you can do that on multiple different surfaces because these tires are incredible. They are nice and wide, so it is going to handle pretty much any terrain. It's going to be great on smooth surfaces or rough terrain like gravel around your yard, in the dirt, and it's also going to be great on sand. Now, as I mentioned with assembly, there are some wheels with locks here by the handle, and it is super easy. Just press that down, it will lock it, and then again there is a second tab allowing you to press down to unlock it, so you're not having to stick your hand or foot underneath to lift it and get it unlocked. My family absolutely adores this, and we have so many different ways that we are going to enjoy using it, whether it is just around our home kind of as a garden cart to lug heavier items around, maybe if it's just for groceries, hauling them to and from the car. But certainly we are going to be using this for camping trips or beach trips. I was able to fit our large 10-person tent, 2 camping chairs, a queen air mattress, a leaf blower, a large tarp, and some firewood here on top. The extension made it possible to store all of these things very conveniently and easily. I don't have to worry about them falling out, and I was definitely able to hold way more than I would with a standard utility cart or wagon. Plus, on the side here, I was able to put some snacks that will be easily accessible to us, and some little ground stakes, as well as a water bottle up there in the cup holder. Now, when it comes to setup and breakdown, it is an absolute breeze. All you have to do is remove the bottom insert, and that will later come in use when we're ready to store the wagon away. You do have to make sure that this little pocket isn't over this hinge, so just remove that on both sides and place the little pockets on the other side of the frame, and then pull up on both yellow tabs and walk it in until it's nice and compact. And then you can use that insert from the bottom and wrap it around, and it's got some little rings and straps so you can secure that together and hold it in place really easily. If you guys were looking for an incredible all-terrain utility cart that gets nice and compact but has great capacity to it whenever it's opened and load-bearing capabilities, this is such a wonderful choice. I know you guys would love it. I would definitely give it a try.